either end up with a smiley face or an absolute disaster. Yeah. Hope dies last. Fuck. Yeah, so wind is that way, so if you don't mind. Yep. Yeah. And it goes like a stink. This is half throttle. This is half throttle. It's perfect. It's perfect the way it is. Okay, let's punch it. Full throttle. And the thing is, I have around 120 watts of thermal headway, so I could prop it up even more. Oh, this is fun! Who wants to buy them? It doesn't want to land. Want to land. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh! Yeah, okay. Did I?